10K, there's that number again, 10K, 8K, 100K. They're all so related, and they're also juicy, and they're also life-changing, and they're also game-changing. And I think one of the elusive numbers is the very first 10K, not even a 10K month, just those of you who are brand new in your business, you're just starting out. How do I make my very first $10,000? Where does it come from? What does it look like? I know for me, when I was very first starting, $10,000 was a game changer for me. I actually had put $20,000 on a 0% interest credit card so I could start my business. I had a coaching certification. I put on my website, or I put an investment to have someone build my website for me. And then I invested in a business building program. Actually, it was a 6K or a 6-figure business building program because I knew I needed to hit 6 figures fairly quickly so that I could leave my job and spend more time with my babies. And I wanted to leave my marriage, and I knew that I could support myself if I were earning 6 figures in my business. So for me, it was like, how do I get to 6 figures as quickly as possible so that I can leave my job, leave my marriage, and then figure out my life from there. And now those of you that know me, my company turns over anywhere from $100,000 to $200,000 a month. So we're at a completely different level now. I have a team of about 13 women, actually all around the world, and we are impacting thousands of lives in so many different countries. And I'm just, this is what I'm here for, is helping you to get your original medicine out into the world, your divine gifts, your beautiful work, so that you can have the impact you're destined to have and earn an incredible living at the same time. So how do you earn your first $10,000? Let's make it really simple. Create a 90-day program or offering. Okay, this could look like 6 coaching sessions or 6 hypnotherapy sessions booked bi-weekly over 90 days. Throw a little bit of support in between. Maybe they can email you in between. Maybe they can Voxer you, which is voice note in between, and charge $2,000. Okay, so then what do we need to make 10K? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We only need to sign 5 clients to make $10,000. That I can teach my 8-year-old, or I can teach my 9-year-old daughter how to sign 5 clients. That's just not hard at all. And this is exactly what I teach inside of Soul Business Accelerator. We give you a roadmap to 6 figures. We only focus on the needle moving, revenue generating activities. We get you off the hamster wheel of the bullshit of social media. There's no ads, there's no funnels. We break it down and bring in good old external marketing. So anyway, what I would do if I needed to earn the first 10K and I didn't have a name, I didn't have a business, I didn't have social proof or testimonials when I was just starting from scratch. One, after you've got your program or your package, name it something that really will resonate with people. Know exactly what the transformation is that you're creating, and speak very clearly on that. Don't tell people that you're going to teach them to love themselves, right? That's not what they want to hear. They want to know that they're going to be the healthiest they've ever been, or they're going to improve their sex life with their husband, or they're going to build their business to 6 figures, or they want to know there's a tangible result. They're going to heal from childhood trauma so they can finally do what they want to do in life, right? So get clear on the transformation. Don't talk about the logistics of your program. Only talk about the transformation that it creates and the outcome on the other side of working with you. Then you're going to send it to people. Reach out via text. Create a list of 100 people that you know, that you've worked with, that your partner works with, whoever. I went back through all of my LinkedIn, through my Facebook. I did not even have Instagram at the time. Went through all of my old work colleagues that I hadn't talked to for 10 years. And I created a list. I think I had maybe 80 people on that list. And I started to reach out to them via text message, via LinkedIn. Hey, here's what I'm doing right now. I started out as a career coach. I'm looking for 5 new clients to go through my career coaching program. You're going to come out 100% clear on what new career that's aligned with your purpose that you want to move into. This is for you if you're tired of being trapped, frustrated, and stuck in the wrong career. Boom. I had people sending me people, you can say, who do you know? Instead of, are you interested? Who do you know that's frustrated or stuck in the wrong career? Actually I am. And then they might have a consultation with you. Okay. So doing a bunch of reach outs is really how you're going to find those first few clients. If you tap out your network and you're like, okay, I signed 3, but I still have 2 more. Where can you go to hold a workshop? This is what I teach as well. How can you I teach you to hold a 90-minute or 2-hour, I call it a signature workshop. That's the term I've termed it. This can be either online or in person in conjunction with another organization. You, let's say, go and hold a 2-hour workshop at a co-working space on how to find your dream career. And I did this many times. And let's say I had it at the co-working space. The co-working space promoted it to all their people. I would have 10 or 12 come. I would go through my signature workshop, and at the end, I would invite them in. For those of you that want to work deeper with me, I have my 90-day program, and I would sign clients, and it would be a $10,000 workshop. Okay, so those are the top 2 ways that you can go and bring clients in ASAP, earn your first 10K. It is not hard. Don't make it hard. Go out and do it, and let us know how many days it took you.